TV for y'all niggas and shit, you know what I mean? Like to welcome y'all to the real pretty side into the city, you know what I mean? The real pretty side of this whole Wolfgang shit, you know what I mean? Niggas ain't underground, niggas live here in these tunnels, you know what I mean? If you go down one of them train tracks right there, they'll lead you to the Wolfgang lab and all that, where niggas record and all type of shit like that. The niggas a little underground, you know? Wolfgang, get with us. Good, you know what I'm saying, man? It's my you know I ain't going nowhere. I'm about to go jump on the chain tracks, you know what I mean? Get away from the third rail, go record some shit, you know what I mean? Find them tracks down with the rats, and them zombies, and them thriller niggas be at, you know what I'm saying? A lot of type of shit we live with, you know what I mean? Here at NCM City. You gotta come up hard. You don't come hard, you ain't with it, baby. Wolfgang. You wanna hit it again? Go.
That shit again.